from $0 to $150 billion in assets. Helped bring the McNugget to market. Lost it all in 1982. Went on to become one of the richest investors in the world, through innovative investing strategies. The story of Ray Dalio. Ray grew up in a middle-class family from Long Island in New York. His father was a jazz musician. He showed an interest in investing from a young age. Bought his first stock at age 12, it was $300 worth of Northeast Airlines. Because it was the only stock he knew that was trading for less than $5. Got lucky, as it tripled in value when the airline merged with another company. This ignited his interest in investing. He taught himself how to short stocks, and built an investment portfolio of several $1,000s while still in high school. Studied hard. Went on to receive an MBA from Harvard in 1973. During his time there, Dalio was introduced to transcendental meditation, which interestingly he credits as the key to his business success. Fresh out of Harvard in 1973, Dalio had his first Wall Street job at Shearson Hayden Stone. That same year, he was fired when he punched his supervisor in the face. But Dalio convinced some of the clients to hire him as a consultant, and founded the firm Bridgewater Associates, from his apartment in Manhattan. He initially focused on managing money for institutional clients, implementing sophisticated hedging strategies for them. His company quickly gained a reputation for its innovative investment strategies. Dalio won McDonald's as a client. He advised chicken farmers to use corn and soy futures to lock in their costs. By default, that advice gave McDonald's a favorable fixed price, which enabled them to bring the Chicken McNugget to the market. He enjoyed early success. However, it all went bust. In 1982, Mexico declared it would not be able to pay its $80 billion in debt owed to U.S. banks. So Dalio bet everything against the U.S. economy. On a depression that never came. As interest rate cuts caused big market gains. Being so wrong, he ended up losing everything, at age 33. Forced to lay off all his employees. Borrowed $4,000 from his father to pay his family bills. However, in his book Principles, he says it is one of the best things that ever happened to him. He changed his investing mindset. I went from starting with what I knew, to start with how I knew it, and then determine what I still did not know. It gave me open-mindedness, a fear that balanced with my aggressiveness. Pain plus reflection equals progress. Dalio carefully begins to rebuild Bridgewater. With people that will aggressively challenge his ideas. Rather than yes men. They launched a new product called Pure Alpha. A fund that is uncorrelated to the market and returns consistently throughout the cycles. It became widely successful. He then launches the all-weather portfolio a few years later. A fund that focuses on managing risk over everything else. He slowly regains clients and his reputation. In 2002 the market drops a staggering 22%, but the fund holds steady, proving its effectiveness. 2002 was a key inflection point and the fund rapidly gains popularity, becoming one of the largest in the world. In 2008, the market drops 34%. Dalio not only avoids the losses, but profits by 9.5%. All-weather portfolio asset allocation, 55% U.S. bonds, 30% U.S. stocks, 15% hard assets, gold plus commodities. Bridgewater continues to deliver consistent returns, and becomes one of the biggest investment funds at $150 billion in assets under management, in 2023. Balanced and tempered. Dalio conducts his business based on a series of principles that he has written down in his book Principles, Life and Work. The key tenets of Ray Dalio's investment philosophy is diversification, understanding the global economy, using data-driven algorithms, his radical transparency approach, which encourages open communication and feedback within his company. His philosophy has been influenced by several thinkers and writers, including economist Hyman Minsky and author Nassim Taleb. He has also studied the work of historical figures such as Napoleon Bonaparte and the Roman Empire. Ray Dalio is involved in many philanthropic endeavors. He has donated millions of dollars to causes such as education, poverty alleviation, and environmental conservation. He is the founder of Oceans, an ocean exploration initiative. They work with big names such as James Cameron with the mission to map the bottom of the ocean. Ray Dalio is a fascinating figure in the world of investing. From facing adversity to embracing failure, using data-driven strategies and his unique approach to leadership, he has earned a great deal of admiration and respect in the financial world. This video was called from tweets by @ValueInvestorAC. Thanks to him for the privilege to share this with our audience. If you enjoyed this, please help us reach a greater audience, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Also, kindly follow @ValueInvestorAC on Twitter. See you in the next episode.